Kali, welcome to Dhaka Tribune. We're very, very happy to have you.
Thank you so much. Even I'm feeling great to be here and talking to you.
You're the central character of this new web series. The second season has just come out. You play Kali, the titular role here. And tell us what drew you to this script.
I've been watching a lot of web series for the last few years, and certain images were there in my mind. Like if something comes my way, what kind of genre I want to work, Mm-hmm. So when Porombrot Chattopadhyay, who's also the producer of the show, we were shooting for an Indo-Bangladesh joint venture film. So he narrated me the story, just a brief of it, and instantly, I don't know, I could relate to it. I found like Kali is basically a story of a very ordinary woman. It's an extraordinary journey of a very ordinary woman. So, when I heard the story, I could instantly relate to it. So I felt like it's a story which is identifiable and relatable to a lot of women, If I can relate to it, so I think there are so many people who would be able to relate to it. Mm-hmm. So, and we have seen characters like this. I have seen characters like Kali, like women coming from basic middle class background, going through a lot of hardships in life, and doing everything, thinking about the kids or their family, and they always keep family in front of before anything of her personal desires, So I knew it was a great team to work, and they will be able to pull it off, which they did, and I'm happy about it.
And Kali is the goddess of destruction, and here I think the name is also symbolic.
It's a metaphor actually. It's used metaphorically, as we say, like Kali is a symbol of Shakti. And it's goddess of Shakti. So, and there is, I think, in every girl there is some essence of Kali, or Durga, or Saraswati, or any goddess of that name, if you say. So only like when we want to bring that in front of us, that transformation, when it is that when happens, you identify with that character. So I think this Kali herself, her journey, she came from a very, very middle class background. She struggled her life. She made some wrong choices in her life that we all do. And she faced a lot of hardships. Her only point of focus was taking care of this son, her only child, and to what extent she can go. So that was the first season about it. And then she started figuring out, like, what do she wants with her life. So after a point, she started kind of introspection, like she thought of like, what about herself? What about she as an individual? That where in season 2 she takes a decision, and people who have watched it know the decision. I'm not going to tell it here because I want the others who haven't watched it, they should see that they should watch Kali. And she undergoes a huge transformation from being just a mother, and now from being just Kali by name, now she is Kali by action, so. And there have been a lot of action sequences, as the genre is action crime thriller.
So this story humanizes a character who has made wrong choices and is now a danger to the society. So what kind of a message is this series giving to the audiences?
No, it is not like danger to the society yet, because we don't know what she's up to. So that will, I think we get to see if the season 3 comes. As of now, I don't think she will ever be able to a danger to anybody, because she is not that. She is anything but not selfish. She has always given priority to others. When it came to she knew that she had chosen the wrong person in her life as a partner. When you're married in your teens, like in your 18 or 19, you don't develop that maturity in you to understand whether this person is capable of taking care of you or not, or this person is right for you or not. So she understood it much later in her life. And yes, she had developed a relationship with a cop, Aniket, which is played by Rahul Banerjee. Kept it hidden, like she didn't go for the relationship, she didn't go for the marriage. That was again because all those social norms, the structural social norms that we have, the taboos that we have, it played in her mind. And this everything was because to save the child. She didn't want her child to feel bad about what mother is doing, the society at times becomes extremely blatantly judgmental about even understanding the situation we go through. So she was scared. I will definitely give her full marks for that, because she has always kept the desire of her son in before what she wanted. But at times in life it happens, when you want to think about yourself, when you know that time is running out. We all somehow felt like, in this lockdown situation what we are now, it made me feel like we were running for everything in life. What we are running for, basically what we need is love, care and share. That's it. So it's time for her to choose her love, care and share. So yeah, give it to her that.
Okay, great. You did a fabulous job playing Kali, and
thank you so much.
Yes, and of course you look too young to be the mother. Did you ever it's a compliment also
for that. I told my producers and the directors also. I told Param, don't do this to me. I know. Okay, fine. I'm doing it. You be sure you are going to get lot of messages about it, and that what happened also.
This is what ageism.
But it's true. She got married at a very very early age, and she had a big son. At times when I used to shoot with my on-screen son, I used to think about acha, really? Is he my son? So big son. Okay. Then instantly, Pauli, go back to action. Go back to Kali. So it was fun at times with that, Yeah, we used to even the son on screen, we used to have a lot of jokes on this particular note. Yeah.
Abhishek Banerjee, how was he as a co-star?
I worked with him for the first time, and I've known him before. Of course, he was always a very reputed and celebrated casting director until and unless he became very famous, as Khatora Tyagi. And but it was wonderful working with him. Just wonderful, wouldn't say, because it was during the climax we had I think I shared with him the screen space only during the climax. So without that, I don't think we don't have a scene like that. No. So it was very brief, I would say. I want more scenes with him. So probably season 3. Of course, I enjoyed working with him. He's such a fantastic person and all that. He used to give a lot of addas in Bengali, Hindi. And he's essentially a Bengali, but haven't stayed in Bengal. So about street foods, about this, about that, a lot of other things we used to have chat about.
Any favorite memory from filming this season?
Kali is my first project on web. So first web series that way. So Kali will always be very, very special. And I really miss the team, because such a brilliant team, and they're effortlessly effective. They're brilliant, and they are all youngsters. But yeah, they used to pamper me a lot and get me hajmolas, because they know I have weakness for hajmolas. So they used to get all kind of candies, this, that for me, and very nice team. And each and every moment actually have been a memorable experience of my life. And there are few films which and few experiences which stays with you, right? So Kali is such an experience that will stay with me till the day I live. So
Great. We'll remember about the Hajmolas when you come to Bangladesh next.
Thank you.
And you're a chemistry graduate. Do you ever get to apply your formal education in the line of work you do now?
Yeah, and see, both have like chemistry on screen is also very important, right? Like on screen chemistry. So, and both chemistry and cinema has a lot of mystery in it. So that is also similar. And and yeah, like chemistry students are supposed to be mischievous. So I applied those in my like shoot life. What I do, I'm not going to share that. Let that be secret.
Yeah, I mean, in my head, I'm thinking you're doing all kind of MacGyver stuff on set.
Yeah. And I do.
So you are Bengali, and your ancestral home is in Faridpur, Bangladesh?
Yeah.
And did you ever get to visit that part? No, okay.
No, I feel I tried. I wanted, like, every time when I go to Bangladesh, but first time when I went to Bangladesh, it was for Moner Manush, and my mom was there with me. I took her with me because it was her first visit to Bangladesh too. And my mother's side is from Joshore, and my father's side is from Faridpur. And my mother's mother is again from Dhaka, so it's long chain here and there. None of them have been there. They didn't get an opportunity to go there. So when I went for the shoot, I wanted to take her, so she came along with me. But unfortunately, we had a very, very bad accident while we were traveling. Somehow we finished the shoot, and my mother was also a victim of it. So she got her C6, C7 joint dislocation, and so she couldn't travel here and there. She was just put in a particular place. She was just there, and after finishing the shoot, I had to rush with her back for her treatment. So first time it wasn't possible. And second time I went there for event or some programs, it was for a day or so. Then it was for Shotta, the film I shot in Bangladesh with Shakib Khan, and the director was Hasibur Reza Kollol. So I told Kollol, see, I want to visit once, like if we get like 1 or 2 days off, but no luck. So as usual, like we had to finish the schedule, and I had to come back and join another shoot. So it's still there in my wish list. Yeah, so whenever I hear about Faridpur, like all these images come in front of me, I get so excited and happy. I would love to visit.
You've had a great career as an actor. Your film Chhatrak went to Cannes in the director's fortnight. It was a huge success. So what is next for Paulidam? What's the next step?
For the time being, I just want to go out normally and back to those days and just party with my friends and talk to them, chat with them, just hold them. And I know we are not allowed to touch nowadays, no touch. So I want things to get better for all of us. It's not just about me. I know everybody, and especially after this Amphan, it has been a massive destruction all around Bengal and Bangladesh too. So I want things to revive and rebuild soon, so that the good days come back, and yes, that is what. Till for the time being, it's about life, it's about health, it's about the basic fundamental things in life that I'm looking for. It's love, share, and care.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us. It was nice to have you.
Thank you so much.